Hey, this is Big J with Florida Wildlife Adventure, and I was pleasured enough to get the Mosquito Crusher from our friends here, and I was very skeptical on how it was going to work because we have a real big problem with mosquitoes. A lot of swamp out here, high grass, so it's really abundant when it comes to mosquitoes. Let me tell you something, this thing absolutely, definitely works. I will let you know if it didn't. I am very, very critical when it comes to different things and how they work. And I tell the truth, and that's the truth. This thing has got us down on mosquito population by 3 times. 3/4 of mosquitoes are gone. We used to not be able to enjoy outside as far as the fire and the barbecues and everything like that. Now it's done a real good job. So if you're looking to cut down the mosquitoes at your place, this is the thing to do it. Mosquito Crusher. Check it out.